That's what I've heard. I've
And
heard
it's
that
like,
that is
that
it.
is that is the turning point when you
Yeah.
realize, okay, I need strength training, and then you need to sort of really take your vitamins
Yeah.
seriously.
Yeah.
You take your calcium seriously. Did you know that 1 in every 2 women in Pakistan is calcium deficient?
Yes, I do know that.
And that's a really huge and staggering number.
It's a huge, huge number. And I'm not sure why that is. Maybe we don't get enough in the kind of food that
No,
we
we
eat.
don't. We don't.
I'm not sure what exactly it is, but yeah. So at this and again, calcium stops getting absorbed also from things like milk and stuff like
Absolutely,
that. So it's
absolutely.
actually important that you do take some sort of a supplement of calcium.
Bilkul.
You know, and we don't realize how suddenly your muscles start giving up on you.
Because bone strength is what's going to keep you
Yes,
standing.
yes.
And, the bones become, I think even pregnancy,
Oh.
it depletes your calcium. I'm not a
Yes.
doctor, I don't know, but मैंने ये सुना है
Right.
कि हड्डियों में से जान निकल जाती है, और निकल भी जाती है, और फिर वो वापस भी डालनी पड़ती है.
Right,
So,
right.
and then, when older age falls,
Yeah.
I was told that it's not that you fall and break your bone. The bone breaks first.
Ooh.
And it causes a fall because the bone becomes so brittle without calcium.
So you're absolutely right. So, remember I had a fall last year?
Yes.
Okay. So, it was really weird for me कि मैं गिरी हूँ और में 3 fractures आए हैं. Why was that weird for me? क्योंकि मैं constantly गिरती फिरती रहती हूँ.
Yeah.
Throughout. And how I've fallen, this industry knows where all I've fallen. नाचते नाचते धड़ाम, इधर से धड़ाम. So this,
But why? Did you ever find out why you fall so much?
I think, peripheral vision. What else can it be?
Okay.
I mean, I've never thought about it.
Yeah, balance issues भी होते हैं.
Something must not be, So, anyway, point is that I fall a lot. I used to at least fall a lot. This was not a fall. This was like अगर ये मेरा पैर है and there was इतना सा space between. ये कोई बड़ा gap भी नहीं था. I sort of motored my foot and then fell. But for it to have caused such damage to my
Yeah.
foot.
This was before your Valima, was it?
This is, yeah.
You're taking wrong by
Yeah.
that time, right?
This is my first day on set back from after my marriage,
Yeah.
right? I was on set. We were on a commercial set, Asim set. Got ready, everything, this, that. And boom.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was out for
And 3 fractures.
3 fractures on my right foot. And Amna, I am 100% sure that it's because my bones are brittle now. Or something was not,
Yeah.
Because I told the doctor, I said, how could, he said, I mean, you're probably not taking calcium, you're probably not looking after
Is
yourself.
that when you started? Then taking it seriously?
That is when I actually started taking it seriously. For the longest time, I couldn't do anything. I had to say no to so much work that December.
Yeah.
I couldn't do anything. I was,
Yeah.
yeah,
It was bad.
it was bad. I couldn't even go back. So after that, my doctor said कि देखिए अब आपको exercise करनी होगी, so that you build strength. And क्या
सोच रही हूँ फिर सेल्फी लगाई कि मैं जिम नहीं जाऊंगी.
क्या
मैं सेल्फी लगाऊंगी कि मैं जिम नहीं जाऊंगी.
फिर मैं गई.
हाँ, okay, गई.
फिर हुआ ये कि वो पैर नहीं हील हुआ था ना.
Yeah.
तो फिर
You
मैंने
also
कहा मुझे तो
performed-
तकलीफ हो रही है.
You also performed, I believe, with a broken foot. नहीं?
Oh my,
था ना?
not I performed at the Hum Awards.
वो तो खैर
वो तो
काफी
I
था.
couldn't do anything. I said, listen, please, don't test me now. And I think I should not have done it at all because that's what I told these guys.
We're talking about that performance, which
Yes.
was beautiful. But can I bring this up? That
Yes.
how did you feel performing to वो Humsafar था? I'm sorry, I had to ask.
Listen, this is the max I could do, okay? I was like, you want me to perform? You want me to be there? I said, no, don't. Because, you need a certain kind of energy.
Yeah.
And my foot,
Was still not healed properly.
not at all. And it's not that, it was, जब मैं उस पे इतना नाचती थी ना या कुछ भी, I was like, it's not working. I need to be in full element to do
Yeah.
this. So then we decided to do this, and it was really funny because people obviously screamed when they heard Humsafar.
Yeah.
But then we also didn't know how to make it anything. Like, what should we make out of it?
Yeah. I mean, it's
So-
an iconic moment.
Yeah.
You know, those songs are
those
huge.
songs
yeah?
are huge.
And they're beautiful.
Yeah.
They're
But I
beautiful.
think we could have done a better job as far as honestly, I take that on myself. It was just me saying, "मैंने नहीं करना, मुझे नहीं करना, मुझे नहीं करना, मुझे नहीं करना."
नहीं, ऐसा
I'm
नहीं
telling
है.
you, this my fault. I was like, I don't want to do it. मुझे dances नहीं चाहिए बहुत सारे, मुझे ये नहीं चाहिए, मुझे ये नहीं करना.
और फिर किया, लेकिन जो कुछ
जब
तो
किया
कुछ
तो फिर
करना
वो
था.
वही मेहमुना ने कहा कि इतना जब तंग करते हैं ना कि मुझे नहीं करना, मुझे ये नहीं करना, तो फिर ये होता है.
ये होता है. नहीं, तो अच्छा था लेकिन.
No, I mean, I love them and I
Yeah.
always do. I show up for them all the time. But I feel like when you are not, like I said, when you are not feeling something, when your gut is telling you, just, you can't at the moment. You know, you have a big film coming up, save your energy. And that's what happened.
Yeah.
I did the awards. The next day I was on set
Absolutely.
for Love Guru.
Yeah.
And I got sick and I was in the hospital.
Yeah.
And I paid in pounds, okay? I went to a private hospital.
प्रोडक्शन ने दे दिया होगा. Awkward silence.
So anyway,
But listen,
yeah,
you're
yeah.
healed. You're healed now
I'm
because
good
we
now.
saw
I
you
was-
skipping
Yeah, where?
in the CAC ad in the yes. How where you are skipping in the ad. So obviously you weren't skipping.
Huh?
You weren't
They
skipping,
couldn't take the shot because I couldn't skip.
but you were skipping.
Yes, I was.
You did. You managed it.
I managed it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No. So then that means that you are taking your.
Yeah,
ball
I'm not very
seriously.
good. I'm not a very good skipper.
Okay.
But I found out that I'm a very good runner.
There you go.
Yeah. I just did it for Love Guru.
Lots of running there.
Even though, no, just one running.
Okay.
And I told, even though for days before the running, I kept telling Nadeem Beg, I said, मुझे jogging और running नहीं आती. He's like, ये किस तरह की बात है भाई? ये कौन कहता है कि jogging? Firstly, I don't understand jogging. Like either you walk, brisk walk, or you run. What is a jog? So I tried to convince him every day कि jogging करता हुआ आदमी hot तो लगता ही नहीं है.
हाँ.
So please मत डाल. Can you make it this? Can you make it yoga? Can you make it this? Can you make it that? He's like, no, I want running, like jogging. So I said, okay, fine.
मैं भी करके दिखाती हूँ फिर.
I said, okay, fine. I went and sat. They were setting up the shot. And then I just observed the people who were running. Because I'm a good mimicker, na? And I kept looking. And I said, okay, this is how you do it. I did a better job than
Well done.
I will show you.
Well done.
Full like.
Love it. Love it. वो याद है ना परवीन बॉबी का एक सीन था समुंदर पे जो वो भाग
हाँ,
रहे
ओह,
स्लो मोशन में.
ओह,
There's some iconic runs.
Oh my
We're hoping to
God.
get one
Oh
from
my
Love
God.
Guru as
Oh
well
my
now.
God. Yeah,
An
yeah.
Iconic run.
Yeah, hopefully.
Absolutely.
Except it's not on the beach. It should have been.
It should have
I'm
been.
joking.
No, it's fine. It's
I'm
fine.
joking.
But okay, grueling schedule.
Grueling.
Love Guru is
Grueling.
done.
Grueling.
हो गया,
Grueling
सारा कुछ
schedule.
हो गया.
नहीं जी
नहीं, अभी है. Okay,
अभी
वापस.
थोड़े दिन बाकी.
And जो बचे हैं, that's also an outdoor, all over the place shoot. वो
Yes.
भी चल रहा है साथ-साथ.
That's done.
वो हो गया.
I have one day left. It's done really. Actually, it's a wrap.
And उड़ी आती है हमें सुनने में कि maybe there are a couple of drama scripts in the passage.
Yeah.
But yeah, हो जाए तो.
Yeah.
But the takeaway is that you're mashallah se busy. And you're busy juggling like personal and
Yeah, but this year I've not been too busy actually. This year has been a pretty quiet year for me, except for Love Guru, I would say. That's been
जो बचे हैं was last year.
no, Jo Bache Hain was very